Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Dell XPS 17 and the MacBook Pro 16. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about these powerhouse laptops to help you decide which one is truly worth your money in 2025. Watch till the end before you buy, and by the end, you'll know which one comes out on top. Check the description for the latest prices and deals, and don't forget to like the video. It really helps me out. The Dell XPS 17-9730 and the MacBook Pro 16 both embody premium craftsmanship, but they take different approaches to design and build quality. The XPS 17 features a sleek, modern aesthetic with a platinum silver CNC machined aluminum chassis paired with a black carbon fiber interior. This contrast gives it a sophisticated yet slightly rugged appeal, catering to users who appreciate a balance of durability and elegance. Meanwhile, the MacBook Pro 16 sticks to Apple's signature unibody aluminum design, now available in a space black finish that resists fingerprints better than previous models. The MacBook's squared edges and uniform construction feel incredibly refined, exuding a more seamless, polished look compared to Dell's mix of materials. In terms of portability, the MacBook Pro 16 is lighter, weighing 4.8 lbs compared to the XPS 17's 5.37 lbs. While neither is designed for ultra portability, Apple's slightly thinner profile and lower weight make it easier to carry around. The XPS 17, however, maintains a slim footprint for a 17-inch laptop, measuring just 19.5 mm thick, making it one of the sleeker desktop replacements in its class. Despite its larger display, it doesn't feel overly bulky, thanks to Dell's Infinity Edge display, which minimizes bezels for an almost borderless screen. Apple's design is more traditional, with a slightly thicker top bezel housing the 1080p FaceTime camera. Port selection is where these two devices take drastically different approaches. The MacBook Pro 16 continues Apple's commitment to a well-rounded port lineup, featuring 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, an SDXC card reader, MagSafe 3 charging, and a headphone jack. This variety offers flexibility without the immediate need for adapters. The XPS 17, in contrast, prioritizes a minimalist approach, offering 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an SD card reader, and a headphone jack. While this maintains a clean aesthetic, it also means users relying on USB-A or HDMI will need to use adapters, a trade-off that might not appeal to everyone. Dell includes a USB-C to USB-A and HDMI adapter in the box, but those who frequently work with peripherals might find Apple's port selection more convenient. When it comes to displays, both offer exceptional screens, but they each have unique features that cater to different needs. The Dell XPS 17 comes with a 17-inch UHD Plus touchscreen, boasting a resolution of 3840 by 2400. This display excels in color accuracy, offering 100% Adobe RGB and 99% DCI P3 coverage, making it a top choice for content creators, photographers, and video editors who demand precision. The touch-enabled panel delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, though its 60 Hz refresh rate might not be ideal for competitive gaming. In contrast, the MacBook Pro 16 sports a 16.2-inch liquid Retina XDR display with a native resolution of 3456 by 2234. It features mini LED technology, providing stunning contrast and vibrant colors, with peak brightness reaching up to 1600 nits for HDR content. The promotion 120 Hz refresh rate enhances smooth scrolling and responsiveness, making it feel incredibly fluid during everyday tasks or media consumption. While the XPS 17's touch functionality offers additional interactivity, the MacBook Pro's lack of a touchscreen is noticeable, especially for users who prefer a more hands-on approach. The keyboard and touchpad experience on both laptops is tailored for professional use, though with subtle differences in design and feel. The Dell XPS 17 offers a full-sized keyboard with 1.3 mm key travel, providing a comfortable typing experience for long sessions. Its carbon fiber palm rest ensures a soft touch, reducing fatigue. The large touchpad, known for its responsiveness and precision, competes closely with Apple's trackpad, offering smooth multi-touch gestures and scrolling. However, some users may find it on the larger side, possibly making accidental touches more frequent. On the other hand, the MacBook Pro 16 uses Apple's Magic Keyboard, known for its shallow yet tactile 1mm key travel. The full-size function keys are a convenient feature for professionals who rely on shortcuts. The trackpad on the MacBook Pro is large, smooth, and incredibly responsive, featuring haptic feedback that enhances the typing experience. Both systems provide a great typing experience, but Apple's trackpad and keyboard are generally regarded as one of the best in the business, thanks to their seamless integration with macOS. Battery life is another area where the two laptops show significant differences. The Dell XPS 17 houses a 97 watt-hour battery, offering about 9 hours of usage with moderate tasks like web browsing and video playback. However, more intensive workloads, such as gaming or video editing, cause the battery to deplete quickly. Charging, however, is relatively fast, with a 90-minute recharge from 0%. In comparison, the MacBook Pro 16 delivers extraordinary battery life thanks to the efficiency of the M3 Max chip. The laptop lasts an impressive 27 hours and 53 minutes on a single charge during battery tests, far surpassing most high-end laptops, including the XPS 17. Even with demanding tasks, the MacBook Pro maintains a solid runtime, making it the better choice for users who prioritize longevity, especially when working on the go. Both laptops cater to high-end performance, but they take different approaches when it comes to processing power, editing capabilities, and gaming. The Dell XPS 17 offers Intel's 13th Gen Core i7 or i9 processors, with configurations up to the Intel Core i9-13900H, providing excellent multitasking and computational power. Combined with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs, including options up to the RTX 4080, the XPS 17 is a solid choice for both content creators and gamers. Its impressive display options, including a 4K UHD Plus touch panel, further elevate its creative potential. Editing tasks, such as 4K video rendering and graphic design, run smoothly, thanks to a combination of strong hardware and a color-accurate screen. Gaming performance is solid with the RTX 4060 or higher configurations, although the 4K resolution may require adjusting settings for smoother gameplay. On the other hand, the MacBook Pro 16, powered by the Apple M3 Max chip, brings a different level of power to the table. The 16-core CPU and 40-core GPU are optimized for demanding creative and computational tasks, while the M3 Max offers exceptional performance in video editing and other creative applications. Its GPU performance can occasionally be inconsistent, especially when compared to the NVIDIA RTX 4000 series in sustained workloads. Despite this, the MacBook Pro shines in editing thanks to its stunning liquid Retina XDR display, which offers incredible color accuracy and brightness, making it a top choice for professionals in video and photo editing. However, for gaming, the MacBook Pro lags behind the XPS 17 as the M3 Max's GPU is more tailored for professional applications than gaming, leading to less smooth performance in modern games. So, which should you buy in 2025? If you're a content creator or need raw power for demanding tasks, the Dell XPS 17 is the winner. However, for top-tier battery life and seamless performance, the MacBook Pro 16 takes the crown.